Welcome to GEM's video on our triaxial airborne helicopter towed magnetometer. This magnetometer is a special magnetometer developed by GEM. It's designed for use with a helicopter to be towed underneath a helicopter. It is a special aerodynamic instrument that has been developed over the course of 20 years. GEM was the first company to put together an airborne triaxial magnetometer, and we've been flying it ever since. We have clients from Russia, Thailand, Taiwan, Indonesia, and various other places around the world. The reason that this technology has caught on so well is that the construction of the bird is quite unique, and as well it runs on potassium magnetometers. The potassium magnetometer is the world's most sensitive airborne magnetometer with a sensitivity of 0.0025 nanoteslas, which makes it an extremely sensitive magnetometer for looking at earth science problems, including problems in mineral explorations, problems in oil exploration, challenges in UXO exploration, and other types of applications in this bent. Our airborne bird is quite aerodynamic, flies like a bird, very gracefully and elegantly with its nose basically level, and has good aerodynamic properties that keep it in the air and make sure that you acquire good quality data. This platform has a number of other advantages, including easy data acquisition through either a computer or a special module built by GEM that is a console available for all of GEM's magnetometers. Assembly takes about an hour for a crew of about 3 people, so it's quite efficient. Once it's in the air, the data are high quality data being streamed to a memory chip on board, which maintains integrity of the data. Even if your system goes down, the data is not lost. So all in all, it's a helicopter device with special sensors, easy assembly, easy operation, and that in a nutshell is GEM's triaxial potassium bird. And always remember, at GEM, our world is magnetic.